Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Off-Road's tube doors for the 2007 through 2018 Jeep JK Wrangler 2-door and 4-door variants. Step 1. First, remove the existing doors off the vehicle while taking care to not scratch the paint and placing them on a soft surface while you work. Step 2. Insert the tube doors into the Jeep's body hinges. Using a 13mm wrench or socket, secure the doors in place without over-tightening, as this may make the door hard to open. Step 3. Hook the door catch strap over the inner hook just inside the vehicle. Step 4. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, adjust the latch mechanism until the door closes smoothly. Finally, repeat all procedures for the opposite side of the vehicle. Once all the hardware has been secured, then it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road tube doors.